about pig farming. Did you know that pig farming is one of the fastest ways to produce meat? Pigs grow quickly, reproduce rapidly, and if managed properly, they can become a profitable farming business. But here's the truth. Many beginners rush into pig farming without proper planning. They buy pigs first and only realize later that they don't even have the right housing, enough feed, or even reliable source of clean water. These mistakes can lead to poor growth, disease outbreaks, and financial losses. So before you buy your first pig, there are some basic requirements you must understand. In this video, I will explain the essential things you need to start a successful pig farm, even if you are a beginner. Welcome to ChiJaneAgritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please feel free to share this video, like, and subscribe. Pig farming is simply the practice of raising pigs for meat production, breeding, or both. Pigs are popular because they grow faster than many other livestock, produce larger litter of piglets, convert feed into meat efficiently, have a high market demand in many regions. However, success still depends on proper planning and good management. The first step is choosing the right location. Your pig farm should be easily accessible. This means that people, vehicles, and goods should be able to move in and out from the land quickly and safely at any time of the year. It should be well drained, away from flood-prone areas, close to a reliable water supply, located at a reasonable distance from homes to reduce other problems and the risk of disease transmission. The area should also allow good airflow without exposing the pigs to harsh weather. A good location creates a healthier environment for both pigs and workers. The second requirement is build proper pig housing. Pigs need clean, comfortable housing. A good pig house should protect pigs from rain and direct sunlight, have proper ventilation, be easy to clean, have a non-slip floor, and allow waste to drain away easily. Different groups of pigs may need separate pens, such as piglets, growing pigs, pregnant sows, and boars. You know, sow is the female pig and boar is the male. Also, avoid overcrowding because it would increase stress, fighting, and disease. Remember, clean housing is one of the best ways to keep pigs healthy. Requirement number 3, make sure to choose healthy breeding stock. Your success begins with healthy pigs. Buy pigs only from trusted breeders or reputable farms. Look for pigs that are active, bright-eyed, free from wounds, free from coughing or diarrhea, and growing normally. Some common breeds you can easily go for are the large white, landrace, duroc, and hampshire. Many farms also use crossbreeds because they combine desirable qualities from different breeds. So you can look out for those ones too. Requirement number 4, provide quality feed and clean water. Feed is one of the biggest costs in pig farming. Pigs need balanced diets that can provide them with energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. The nutritional needs of piglets, growers, pregnant sows, or breeding birds are different, so feed should match the animal's stage of growth. Poor nutrition will lead to slow growth and lower productivity. Pigs also need clean drinking water every day. Without enough water, feed intake will decrease, growth will slow down, animals will become stressed, and milk production in nursing sows may decline. Always make sure drinking containers are clean and working properly. Requirement number 5 is practice good biosecurity. Biosecurity means preventing diseases from entering or spreading on your farm. Simple biosecurity measures that you can use in your farm would include restricting unnecessary visitors, quarantine newly purchased pigs before mixing them with the herd, cleaning and disinfecting equipment regularly, controlling rodents and other pests around your farm, removing waste properly, and keeping the pig house clean and dry. Remember the saying that prevention is better than cure. So it's easier and less expensive to prevent than to treat. Requirement number 7. Have a healthy management plan and good record system. Healthy pigs grow better and produce more, so it is wise to work with a veterinarian to develop a health plan that may include vaccination where recommended, deworming, regular health checks, and early treatment of sick animals. Make sure to watch your pigs every day for early signs of illnesses, and don't forget to keep accurate records of everything happening in your farm. Things like number of pigs you have, birth dates, breeding dates, vaccinations, feed purchases, pig sales, expenses, and income. Good records help you monitor your farm's performance and make better decisions. Pig farming is a rewarding business, but success doesn't just happen by chance. When you build strong foundation, your pigs have a better chance to grow well, staying healthy, and producing good returns in pounds and dollars. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.